buddy Chris hit me up. He's also my VP of the Auto Kings Auto Club. He actually has a 1993 Acura Legend that has the same wheel pattern as the 97 Mustang. You just hang on to that. That'll fall off. He's got some red lug nuts that he said would look badass on Echo, because he got green ones to go with his car. The theme of his car is white and green. His car's name is also Phantom. But we're gonna go get these lug nuts and hang out with the VP for a minute. Last minute turn signal. I hate that shit. One thing I absolutely cannot stand about other people on the road is I'm trying to get somewhere and go somewhere and get something done, and they want to drive 20 miles per hour under the speed limit in the passing lane. It's like, get the f out of my way, I got shit to do. It's B-Dog.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're gonna change our lug nuts. Possibly fix my throttle cable.
I like your funny words, Magic Man.
That's why you always do work on your cars on your own if you can get away with it, because he pulled up these lug nuts and already found one that was stripped because he took it where?
Hibden Tires.
So Hibden Tire, if you ever reach out to me for a sponsor, I'm a no-go. But these green lug nuts look sick. He's also getting his wheels powder coated. But we will say that it's pretty cool because this is a 1993 Acura Legend, and it's been one of the poster cars for the club for what, past few years now?
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years? Everybody loves this car. Look at that. Look at that exhaust on it.
It's the all-new Australia's.
Yeah. See, the red lug nuts are going to go on Echo.
It went on there okay.
Those did?
Yeah, it went on there pretty easy, so. It's just that one lug nut.
What the hell is that? A donkey?
Yeah. Calm your ass down.
What up, Daddy Shark? He's wearing a shirt that says Daddy Shark.
Daddy Shark. Doo.
Hey man, I just want to say, you make the sunset look so much more beautiful.
Yeah, most people on this property call me Daddy.
Is that true?
That is actually true. I mean, the only ones that don't is Louise and Karen. I call him Daddy when he's around when the kids are around, just to clarify.
You sit on a throne of lies.
When the kids are around, I say, go tell Daddy.
Well, I'm not gonna call you Daddy, but I will call you the Grill Master. What are you cooking up on the grill this year?
Doing that.
Nachos.
Nachos.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Smoked nachos.
Smoked
Throw
nachos.
them in the smoker.
He's like, that's too much work. Now, is it true that you just wanted me to come over and play with your nuts?
Don't tell nobody. So,
Red lug nuts. 2
these beautiful beaches.
green lug nuts.
Yeah. Gotta make sure they're good. It says they're supposed to. Well,
Guess we'll find out.
yeah. So here's the funny part is, I Googled to make sure, you know, what size lug nuts I'm supposed to have. and it says 12 by 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
Well, these green ones on Amazon say 12 by 1.5, but when you scroll down it says does not fit your Acura Legend. So,
I didn't understand a one word you said.
Ron, are you okay? Ron.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
Come on, it's funny. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. If you want to see more content and get involved, be sure to hit the subscribe button. It's like right there, like in the corner. You'll see the Echo logo. It's like right there, like right there. We're trying to bump up our numbers. We're trying to make things happen. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. It does take some time trying to get new content. Echo has landed a sponsor, so we're waiting for products to get sent to my address, depending on how much longer I'm going to be here. But we would like for you guys to subscribe and get involved and comment below and let us know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. I keep saying us because this is kind of branched off of Auto Kings, the car club. July 13th, we're having a huge car show at the Buffalo Wild Wings in Owasso, Tulsa County area. If you guys want to come and get involved, see some really cool cars, even Lambos. If you'd like to see Echo and talk to me, we're going to be there doing our thing. So we welcome everybody. Don't forget about the subscribe button. It's so easy. It's so easy. So easy. And these videos are just going to get better and better and better. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Run it up like the cost of the bar with the tab and the things you done to me. Run it up like every time you ran off in the night and cheated. Run it up like all the times you looked in my eyes and you stuck me in the back with the knives that were so sharp and the cuts so deep, and I know. Run it up like all the times you told me that you loved